so innocent. I dreamed of many things. Now those dreams are vivid pages, the colors so bright.
What's up, Sid?
What's good?
Just the gram.
Oh, yeah. Yeah, take that.
Yo, Sid. This isn't enough.
That's it.
Please, man. Fucking asshole!
Hashtag crack more.
Don't go, don't leave, just stay with me, and please don't walk away from me. Oh baby, stay with me. Don't go, don't leave, just stay.
Tish. Tish. Tisha. What? What are you doing?
I'm dancing.
That's not dancing. That's
White girl swag.
I hate you.
I love you too.
Hey, beautiful.
Hey.
I'm Marcus. Dr. Marcus Phillips, MD.
Gold star from Marcus.
What's up, Ma?
Sup?
Alright. I'm Sean. I play for the Chargers. You know, NFL.
Never heard of it.
Hey, hottest dinner in Beverly Hills, Sam.
Here's my card. Call me.
Damn, you smell good.
Hey, girl. I'm like Tiger Woods. Rock goes my thing. Let's go get something to eat. You a treat?
I prefer white women. Black women have too much attitude.
Black women are no fun. Black women are mean.
move. Ouch! That's my butt. Motherfucker.
You're better than black women. You're better than black women. You're better than black women. You are better than black women.
You're better than black women.
What the hell? Ash! 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 Girl, I had to get off of that dance floor. That got weird real quick. I felt like I was at a slave auction for white girls.
Look who's here.
Let's get him.
Got some change?
There's a legend about hyenas, that they were domesticated, trained to carry diamonds around their necks into the mines of their masters. And anyone that betrayed the Diamond Lords were fed to those very same domesticated animals.
What happened?
This is Lady Ra's main man.
Not a big deal. It's not big. It's good. I do what
Stop.
I
I'll fix this.
She wants to see you, Jake.
Your brother causes a lot of trouble. You let me put one in Freddy's head, and then we're all square.
You should put a $25 million tag on us.
Every time you help him, it gets worse.
He's my brother.
He's slowly killing you.
I'm trying to get out ahead on something.
How much?
$5 million.
In, bring it in, bring it! Today is your first day of EMT training. Let's get started. Does anyone know what EMT stands for?
Emergency Medical Technician.
Oh yeah, of course that's what it is.
Did you not know that?
Questions at the end. The victim was just hit by a car. They're not moving, you got a possible spinal injury on your hands. What you're gonna wanna do is very carefully, violently shake the lower body until it wakes up. Wake up, you lazy spine! It ain't nap time! Ah, yes! The familiar sound of the ambulance siren. When should it be used?
If there's an emergency?
Wrong! All day, every day, just speed through those lights. Technically, there's always an emergency somewhere, so you're covered no matter what happens. Plus, it makes it easier to find where you parked. Now, where did we park it? That direction or that direction? I can't tell where it's coming from because my ears are shot. If your patient is unconscious, elevate the legs, get some blood flow into the brain. Then elevate the brain, get some blood flow into the legs. Then elevate them sideways, get some blood flow in the middle part there. As a first responder, how would you treat a burn victim?
Prevent infection.
Wrong! You're gonna want to kill the fire with ice, but you don't want to get them all wet. So what are you gonna use? That's right, dry ice. If you got any left over, you can create a spooky atmosphere.
Why?
Questions at the end. Next question.
So, yes questions?
Wrong! This is one of the most serious situations you'll be dealing with. You got somebody losing a lot of blood, and you want to administer a transfusion. To do so, simply administer the IV to yourself.
Oh. Shouldn't you use donor blood?
Oh yeah, great idea, genius. Just fill him up with some rando blood.
Oh!
Uh-oh, I'm fading. Somebody get me an apple juice!
The address from the case video has led us here. An abandoned building in downtown Los Angeles. Prime real estate for a zombie outbreak.
So now that we're here, the first matter of business is containment. If this building does turn out to be an active zombie den, then this fence here is an amazing stroke of luck. Let's check the rest of the perimeter. Go that way, Jerry. Go that way. Come on, come on.
God, you're walking fast.
Come on. Good stuff, this. Yeah, this is all sturdy stuff.
This zombie is new to the world of the undead. You can tell by his incredible strength and ferocity.
Get out of the way, Jerry. Whoa, get back, get back. I have a feeling this building's no longer unoccupied.
Rockefeller. Y'all know what this is. We giving y'all 5 seconds to put your drink down and report to the dance floor immediately. All the buses, we giving y'all 5 seconds to get close to an exit. It's about to get real ugly in here. 5 seconds is up. Let's go.
Peeps come to spin a diamond piece. You know Mac come through, line of freaks. Every chick on the hip, 9 at least. We hitting yours on the floor.
And even though I won't forget, just don't want this to end just yet. Not But if I had one chance to freeze time and stand still and soak in everything.
Years from now, how will we look back on today? As the Great Recession, or as the recession that made us great? When the cars we built became smarter. When the houses we bought were meant for living in, not for showing off. When we remembered that living well meant living within our means. Allstate has seen 12 recoveries. But this one's different. Because we're different. This was the time that we realized our things are not as important as the future we're building with the ones we love. Protect yours. Put it in good hands.
I want to say this, man. I need you guys to push that subscribe button.